Hi everyone and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today I have an unboxing for you, and it is an unboxing of used instruments, plural. There was a person on one of the ukulele forums that was offering some used instruments at a really good price, and nobody had contacted him about them. And I reached out and said, here's what I'd like to do. I'd like to review them and then perhaps sell them down the road. If I can, I'd love to get them into the hands of students. If not, locally. And he was willing to work with the price with me and did a great job of sending them. So I just want to show you these as we unpack them. All three, there are three instruments here, are Kala instruments. So I'm going to unbox here. Because it's such a big box, I just have it on its side. I'm going to be working from the underneath as I unbox. So it's a big box, and there are the three ukuleles. Each one came in a case. And of course, most of these don't come with a case from Kala. So, we'll call this ukulele number 1 that we'll open. There's ukulele number 2. And ukulele number 3. Kind of neat little bags that go with it. And let's open up ukulele number 1. So this is the very typical Kala, should be the KAT, laminate mahogany tenor. Entry line, standard instrument that so many people own and buy. It is actually Kala's second level of instrument. They also have the Makala T, which is a little bit smaller. Okay, I'll do number 2. You can see it's another tenor. These are kind of nice cases. I kind of like that material. I don't have anything like that. Here's instrument number 2. It is the Kala Pacific Walnut tenor. And again, still available today. So there's your Kala Pacific Walnut. And then ukulele number 3 is the world's probably best-selling ukulele worldwide. This is the Kala KA15S soprano ukulele. Now let's just take a listen to each one of these very quickly in reverse order. Again, these have been owned. I don't know if they have been dealt with for action. I can tell you the strings are fluorocarbon, which is what I prefer, but here's the soprano. That's the Kala KA15S. Now let's take a look at the Pacific Walnut. Here we go. And that's the, I believe it's the KAPWT, Pacific Walnut tenor. Now let's take a look at the Kala KAT tenor. So this one has a low G. Let's make sure that's season tune. Yeah, that low G sounds very different. Let's hear it go. right, there you have it. 3 ukuleles that you'll see reviewed in the weeks to come. Probably not till end of July, early August, and I'll try to put some other things other than Kala instruments directly in a row at that point. As a reminder, if any company is ever interested in having me look at an ukulele, I would love to do it. Again, love to do these reviews, and these will be coming out to you soon. So thanks so much for watching the channel, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.